Hey guys, what if I told you that there are secrets big eBay sellers don't want you to know? Secrets that can make you a ton of money. Well, guess what? Today we're going to lift the veil and reveal not just 10, but 11 of those eBay secrets. Those secrets those eBay giants don't want you to know. Imagine this, you're a new eBay seller just dipping your toes into the vast ocean of e-commerce. You have your first store set up, a few listings published, and you're just waiting for that first sale. But what if I told you those top sellers, those e-commerce whales, have a different game plan? This brings me to secret number 1. They don't stick to just one seller account. They diversify their risk and increase exposure by creating multiple accounts. They don't just start selling right away. They interact with the account, make purchases, and give it at least 3 weeks of a warm-up before listing aggressively. Interesting, right? If you're liking this content so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Ready for the next secret? Brace yourself. Secret number 2, big sellers don't let emotions dictate their selling. They don't fall in love with their first best-selling item or their first successful store. They know that there are many more fish in the sea, so they keep casting their nets wider, listing more items and opening more stores. What about store metrics? That's secret number 3. Big sellers always keep an eye on all store metrics. They monitor transactions, orders, returns, cases, feedback, and customer messages meticulously. Why? Because eBay, like a grand shopping mall, wants its sellers to provide top-notch customer service. So keep that performance in check. And now let's talk about something that could be a real problem if you ignore it. Secret number 4, always resolve all open cases to have 0 defects. Big sellers know that getting a defect can slow down their growth, so they do everything in their power to avoid them. And if they do get a defect, they call eBay persistently until they get it resolved. Think getting negative feedback is the end of the world? Think again. Secret number 5, you can remove all negative feedback you receive. Yes, you heard that right. Big sellers persistently call eBay, explain the situation, and find ways to get that feedback removed. If you're finding these secrets insightful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Now, let's take a deep dive into eBay's search engine. Secret number 6, master the eBay algorithm without spending countless hours on title optimization. It's like learning a new language, but once you do it, it's a game changer. Optimize your listings, add item specifics, use relevant keywords, but remember, time is money. Don't spend all day on one listing. Are you ready for the big numbers game? Here we go. Secret number 7, list a lot of items. Yeah. Big sellers know that the more items you list, the more exposure you get. But don't mistake this for listing low quality items. Aim big with 10,000, 20,000, or even 30,000 listings. But remember, these need to be high quality, well-researched items. All right, let's move on to the next big secret. Secret number 8, master automation tools like Zeek Autopilot and Turbo Scanner. These tools can find thousands of items for you automatically, freeing up your time for other important tasks. And guess what? Zeek is having a $1 trial, so you need to check that out. eBay is a big stage, and it's definitely not a one-person show. Ready for the next secret? Secret number 9, master VA hiring and management. Virtual assistants or VAs can be a game changer for your business. They can handle everything from product research to customer service to handling cases. But you've got to know how to hire the right people. Up next, a secret that can make or break your eBay business. Secret number 10, have a clear listing plan and stick to it. Decide on your yearly target. Break it down into monthly, weekly, and daily listing goals. This plan is your roadmap to success on eBay. And finally, we've arrived at the last secret, and trust me, it's a game changer. Secret number 11, master AI tools like ChatGPT. It's not just for optimizing your descriptions. You can use it to create a database of customer service responses. Write emails to eBay, prepare the hiring process for your VAs, and even write your listing plan. It's like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. So there you have it, the 11 secrets that big eBay sellers don't want you to know. With these in your arsenal, you're well on your way to becoming a top seller yourself. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. And remember, here at Zeek Analytics, we're committed to making e-commerce work for you. When you're ready to break even, become profitable, or achieve financial independence, Zeek is here to help.